Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Whirlpool Brand condensation dryer system. This machine, the problem when we are selecting any option within few minutes is occurring service error message. Its symptom it will come. After that machine it will get switching off. It's automatically machine will get stopped and continuously buzzing. Service buzzer is continuously running and we cannot do anything after that. Again, if we are power off and switching on at the same time, its machine will start again, and within few minutes again it will stop, and we have to check what is the exactly problem. Now I will show you what is the problem exactly. Now I already given power connection here. Also I will select this option and we will start the machine. Now you can see the machine start already. It will run actually only 1 to 3 minutes only. After that machine will get stopped and showing service error. Now we will remove the top cover first. And we can remove like that. After that we will remove first here this side is in this machine the right side will come motor, but left side having the sensor. We will remove this side cover. And now we can remove the side cover here. Like that we can remove. And here thermistor. This is the thermistor. We will remove the connector here lock, and like that we can remove. We will check first this one. You can see here dust also too much. Also what we can do, we will remove this one. We can check the continuity also, but I am thinking it's better to replace and check. I having already the same sensor, only the color difference. And yes, we can I can replace this one and we will check. If it is okay, we can our job will be finished. The most probably actually this indicator, according to my experience, it's with the thermistor. And we can fix like that. Also connector. I already replaced the new thermistor, and I'm switching on. I given power and a sport cycle. If you need, I can change any other option also. Yes, now machine is running, not showing indicator, service indicator, showing any error message. Now it's working continuously. Also fabric also there, you can see. Yes, it's getting hot. Is heater also okay? Again I will start. Yes, my dear, this is the problem with the thermistor. Now machine is working without any problem. If you are occurring the same issue, just start from the small thing, that's mean thermistor, otherwise heater thermistor. And now I already repaired that thermistor, machine is working properly without any problem. My complaint, my job is already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Thanks again.